Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? Shiba Inu is one of the fastest cryptocurrency this time in the crypto, and today is something very dangerous for all of you now. And what's the reason, my friends? Absolutely, I will tell you. But 12,700 people are subscribed this channel, so that's mean to they are all earn money in a crypto, and they just only subscribe ABS6 channel because they are want to earn money with ABS6 channel. So you want to earn money, my friend, in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel to get a very good profit in a very short time. My brother Shiba Inu, I love Shiba Inu from last 3-4 months, my friend, ago to I investing and Shiba Inu. Every month I invest, my friend, and absolutely in I sell, so they will give me a very good profit. I invest for short times and Shiba Inu, and I will get a very good profit. So if you also want to earn money in a Shiba, so you will need, my friends, to invest for a short time. First of all, invest for a short time. Don't invest for long time because Shiba Inu will already hit now, my friends, 0.401, but they will again fail us down to 0.508 now. So this is a very bad chance, and I hope, my friends, I hope, my friends, so they will again starting moving upward. But don't worry, my friend, if you just in only, as you can see, my friend, this is very short dump, so therefore I will tell you this is very danger update, because I'm very shocked to how is it possible to Shiba Inu in the start of month will moving upward, because as you can see, my friend, September 4, 5, 7, this is the first month this coin will moving upward, but in the second week, my friend, sorry, first week, in the second week this coin will dumps down. So I also know, my friends, too, after a huge jump this coin will dumps down, so therefore I cannot invest. And definitely 2 to 3 days ago, my friends, too, I invest in Shiba Inu, and absolutely the coin will completely in the profit. So if you also want, my friends, to earn money in this month and Shiba Inu, I think it's very good time to invest now. Please don't waste time, invest now. I hope at the end of month they will make you millionaire now. So Shiba Inu holder, my prediction, my technical analysis is clearly told you, my friends, to in upcoming time the price of Shiba Inu will increasing. So if you want to earn money, invest now. I hope they will make you millionaire now. Thanks for watching Shiba Inu coin holder. Please like video, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to earn money in a crypto.